Hi, good afternoon, Pushpanjali. Welcome to your first mock PI.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Don't be nervous. All the
Yeah.
best. I'll just quickly introduce the panelists. So we have Mr. Vijay Thakur. He is a regional head of Pahel Uttarakhand Centers, also a design mentor. We have Raja sir, who is an industry expert with 12 plus years experience, also a NIFT alumni. We have Prashant sir. He's a subject matter expert of Pahel for aptitude department. So they'll be taking your mock PI today. All the best. I'll ask the panelists to please start with the candidate.
Yes. Pushpanjali, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, how are you doing today?
Well,
Very good. So, which
thank
city
you.
are you from?
So I'm basically from Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur.
Okay, from Gorakhpur. Oh, very good, very good. So, Gorakhpur is known for what?
It is basically famous just because of Yogi Adityanath. He is the chief minister of Gorakhpur. And another thing is that we have one temple which is called as Gorakhnath Temple.
Mhm.
And some people, they have made Gorakhpur famous by the name of like Lucknow is known as Nawabo ka Sheher, and they have made Gorakhpur as Nawabo ke Bapo ka Sheher.
Oh, why so? Why so?
I don't know, just because I don't know why they have made, because whenever you will search it on Instagram, automatically it will come like a Nawabo ke Bapo ka Sheher,
Oh, great.
just
So,
because of you
okay,
Adityanath.
okay.
Yeah.
So, Pushpanjali, which course are you aspiring for in NIFT?
So, Masters of Fashion Management.
Masters in Fashion Management. So, can you just introduce yourself in terms of your academics?
Okay, I am dedicated, focused, and studious. I have patience, and I have a leadership quality, I feel, in myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what was the graduation subject you had?
Okay, so I am pursuing my graduation in Bachelor's of Fashion Technology from Punjab University, and the
Mhm.
subjects we have is commercial clothing, pattern development, marketing, journalism, illustration, computer graphics, knitting, weaving, and English.
Mhm. Okay. So, Pushpanjali, being a BF Tech student, so you already did in fashion technology course. So, wouldn't it be appropriate if you had opted for Masters in Fashion Technology? Why MFM?
Yeah, so because recently I have finished my internship with Zara, and in a retail management. So, and MFM, because it focuses more on retail management and it offers better brand management skills. So I have interest in retail management sites, because we have a subject in during graduation, marketing. So like I was very much focused in that subject, because I love doing okay this much. I want to build up a like leadership and managerial skills. So I want to learn more in retail sector and in merchandising sector. That's why, because I loved when I was doing internship
Okay.
with Zara.
Okay. So, how do you define merchandise and merchandising?
Okay, so okay, um, merchandise is basically like when you decide.
Mhm.
Merchandise is the cloth, basically the material, the clothes, and merchandising is when you put it on the floor for the
Mhm.
sell.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So, if you want, so what kind of merchandising you like more? Is it retailing or is it visual merchandising?
Retailing.
Okay. What's the difference between visual and retailing merchandise?
Visual merchandising is like how to showcase that different like the articles, the like in Zara, when I was in Zara. So there we used to have a lots of, like, there were a formal clothes and there were a casual clothes. So visual merchandising is basically on which clothes we have to put on mannequin, how to categorize clothes in different sections. So that, I think, that came in visual merchandising. Retail merchandising is like, according to the price we set what's the price of that merchandise. Yeah.
Okay. So how many years have you worked with Zara?
4 months I have worked with Zara. Like it was my internship. Yeah.
Okay. So you are
And I've
working
also received the certificate of the best customer champ of the month.
okay. So which store are you based at? It's in Gorakhpur?
No, in Chandigarh only.
Acha, you are currently based in Chandigarh. So
Yeah.
you are working as a front end executive in Zara.
Yeah, like I had finished my internship, but they have also offered me a job, but like my graduation is going on, so I just dropped that.
Okay. So taking forward this retailing into MFM, so what do you think? What would be the key learning that you want to learn in MFM? Three key learnings.
Yeah. First thing is business management, the statistics management, fashion marketing management, and the related to finance, supply chain.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of job are you aspiring for after MFM?
Like after MFM, like my goal is to be an entrepreneur by starting my own label of ethnic wear. But before that, I want to push myself so that I may learn new skills and advance my career, so that I may uh, like I may build up my career also, as well as industry's career also, by contributing in fashion industry. So I'll work in a fashion industry so that I may gain more and more knowledge, and the study which I have gained from MFM, I may apply that and uh, like learn more and more.
So, but in case you are not selected in MFM, then
Yeah.
what is your plan of action?
Okay, so like seriously, I have worked a lot for MFM, but this time I was not pretty much sure that my NIFT written test will qualify, just because my internship was going on and I was not getting a time. So I I had my backup planning type thing. So I was very confused that if not MFM, then I'll do another course also, like to build up my skills. So I was thinking to like I want NIFT MFM anyhow, but not this year, maybe next year. So in these periods, I have thought to learn cosmetology from Lakme Academy. And with that only, I have decided to work with a designer. So may in future, if I become a
Okay.
designer,
So
yeah.
why not MBA? Why not MBA? If you are aspiring to become an entrepreneur, okay, with a certain skill set, then there are other MBA's programs which offer you more comprehensive understanding and much more course-driven content and much more brand value. For that matter, if say IM, so if you say or given an opportunity to pursue MBA from IM, and then at the same time MFM, which one will you choose?
So because the basic thing is that uh, I MFM is NIFT, and NIFT is something I love the name.
Why?
I don't know, because whenever when I was in Punjab University also, and when any person from NIFT came for a workshop, I was like, okay, NIFT. So NIFT is like something, it gives me goosebumps. So that's why.
I want to understand. Yes, of course, NIFT is a good brand to reckon with. But my question is, like, if given an opportunity in IM, okay, suppose I am Bangalore, and at the same time MFM in say in Kannur, which one will you choose?
I will choose MFM Kannur only.
Are you sure?
Because I have searched, yeah, because I've searched a lot. I haven't got at IIM is related to any fashion slot. So I'll choose MFM Kannur only.
Okay. Okay. What is one thing in you which differentiate you from the other candidate who will be appearing for the interview?
I think I am very extrovert person and I'm
Okay.
very bold.
Hmm.
Whatever I speak, I don't know that's correct or not, but the confidence in me, it gives me like, okay, whatever I'm speaking is correct and no need to worry about. Let's see what will happen next. But okay, whatever you are speaking right now, you are giving your best. So I think that's the thing which makes me different from others.
Okay. Great. Okay, Pushpanjali. So that is from my side. Prashant sir, you can continue.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Puspanjali.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
So congrats for your first round.
Thank you, sir.
So can you introduce yourself in 30 seconds?
Okay, sir. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pushpanjali Giri. I was born and brought up in Rudrapur, Uttar Pradesh. We are 4 members in my family, including me. My father is a bank manager by occupation. My mother is a housewife, and my younger brother studies in class 12. I have done my high schooling and inter college from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh in science streams, which includes biology, physics, and chemistry. After completing my 12th, I went to Kota for my pre-medical preparation in 2016, but unfortunately failed to crack NEET, that is National Eligibility Comes Entrance Test, just because my passion and goal was not something related to doctor, which I came to know during my preparation phase. So then I talked to my parents and decided to follow my passion. And in reality, I have witnessed that if you cannot figure out your purpose, figure out your passion. And for your passion will directly lead to your purpose. So in 2018, I got to know about I missed my NIFT form and got to know about the University Institute of Fashion and Lifestyle Technology, Punjab University, Chandigarh. And there I cracked its entrance for a bachelor's in fashion technology. And currently my graduation is about to get over next couple of months. I had my internship with Zara and where I have gained valuable industry knowledge. And I've also been awarded by the certificate of the best customer champ of the month, January 2021. Apart from this, I have also assisted the organizing team as a part of the Lifestyle Journalist, Social Media and Bloggers Award 2020. And during my graduation, I have also participated in so many fashion shows and have done projects like sustainability and 2-in-1 fashion. Coming to my hobbies, I like dancing, cooking, photography, traveling, swimming. And I'm self-motivated girl. I always have keen to
Okay.
upskill myself.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So why you're not going for MF Tech?
So because MF Tech is exclusively designed for the engineers, like it focuses more on like it
Why not
focuses
for
more
BF
on
Tech?
manufacturing.
It's not designed for BF Tech students.
It's,
It's not designed for BF Tech students.
sorry, sir.
MF Tech is
No,
not
no, sir.
designed for.
It's designed, yeah, it is designed for BF Tech students. But during my BF Tech, I have like meko ye pata chala, like I got to know that okay, I have more interest in management area because MF Tech is
How?
all related to management.
How can you prove that you have more interest
Because
in
when I
management?
was working, yeah, because when I was doing internship with Zara, and more prior to that, I used to design like I would used to design on illustrations about the t-shirts design, and I used to print on that t-shirts, and I used to make exhibitions. So that keeps me more interested, like okay, retailing and all, because I have a small startup like t-shirts, used to sell t-shirts to all those, like used to design itself and print.
So in 11th, 12th, you have the PCMB, right?
Sorry, sir?
In 11th and 12th, you have the PCMB, physics, chemistry, math, and bio.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir, yes.
why you adopted PCMB, not PCM or PCB? Why PCMB? Because you are not sure about your future to make.
Yes, sir. No, sir. The basic thing is that we are from middle class family, okay, and our family used to say that no, fashion say study later. We don't have much career if you do not belong from a rich family or your background is not from fashion.
My question is why you adopted PCMB, not only PCM or PCB. You adopted PCMB to make your more broad.
PCB only.
You have PCB only. No maths, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
no.
Okay, thank you. So any challenges that you faced in your Zara, right, in 2-3 months latest in your work profile?
Yeah.
And how you deal that?
First thing was improper sleep. Yeah, improper sleep. This was the first thing. Just because the Rabaza was going on in Zara, we used to say discount or sale as a Rabaza. So that Rabaza was going from 24th December till I think 5th February. So there was lots of rush. So that's why we have improper sleep. The thing which I have gained from Zara was the patience, because lots of customer were I was feeling okay, why you are doing this, these are clothes, don't behave like this, that. But we are not like that. Okay, so at there I have gained the patience level, plus how to manage everything, like okay, how to especially I have learned a lot, like how Zara company goes on, like what are the languages they were used for hangers, for shoes, for everything. But the best thing which I have learned is that patience.
Okay. As you mentioned that Zara company offered you a job, you got a job offer from a Zara. So why you're not accepting that? Because it's a good brand. It's a not right.
Yes sir, yes sir. Sir, just because my graduation is going on and they were
So after
telling to,
graduation, you can tell the company that after graduation I can
yeah,
join.
I have talked to them that they were telling to join from the March only, but I talked to my department's chairperson, my university chairperson. So she told that, okay, told them to hold on your position and after completing your graduation, you can join. But they were not agreeing. They were just saying that, no, you can join from March. After that, we will not be available. Okay,
So
if you want to
you
join,
can
you
join.
can join.
You can join the company because they are not asking for the degree, right? Or they
Yeah,
are asking for the degree.
no, they are not asking.
So you can join.
Yeah, but my graduation was going on, and it was my last semester. Plus, NIFT was also there. Plus, I was after like, coming from Zara, I used to work in a designer studio. I used to learn their machine embroidery and all. So I just said okay.
Okay. So you want to join, but you are not joining, or you
Yeah,
don't
but
want
if
to join.
no, I want to join, but everything like हर चीज मन से नहीं कर सकते. Something we have to use our brain.
Okay. So
Sometimes
you are doing MFM as a majburi type because आपका
no.
मन है join. नहीं, no, you are
Just
saying na
because MFM, yeah, just MFM I'm doing just because I
because आप
want to.
ज़्यादा join नहीं कर पा रहे हो, right?
No, sir, just because I want to build my brand as Zara, because I love Zara. Why not my brand be that much of famous?
No, but right now you are taking MFM as a secondary option according to your
No.
sentences.
MFM from the BSc from the first year, I was like, okay, saying I'll do MFM after completing my graduation anyhow. I have not thought of doing job because that was my second or third thing. But before that, I want to learn more and more things. Then only I'll be able to handle everything.
So you can open your brand right now also after doing BF Tech. No.
Many people say that you can open your boutique and all, but if I if मेरे को अगर aspects ही नहीं पता होंगे how to manage and everything, so how I will open it?
You got
Or
that
how
from
I will
experience. After opening, you will get the experience and you got to know how to manage it. So how MFM will help that?
just because uh, just because I think that MFM will help because from MFM I will get a chance to work in fashion industries.
But you will
And
not do job na. After MFM, you will open your brand.
no, I'll do job. Because after MFM I'm not that much of more confident. Okay, after
Okay.
MFM I'll be an
So
entrepreneur.
after
So
the, after MFM, you will job. After 4 5 years, you will drop the right.
yeah.
So after 3 years, where you look yourself? After 3 years.
Okay, so
After
after
MFM, then 3 years. First MFM, then 3 years.
okay,
Means total
so
5 years.
yeah, so during MFM, I will learn and upskill myself and to make my career advance. And after 3 years, I will take uh, more and more responsibilities by keeping in mind my financial stability, and I will contribute in fashion industry, and I will try to achieve the company's goal by not affecting mine also. And if
Which company?
I
Which
yeah,
company?
in whichever company I will be in whichever industry, fashion industry I will
So
be attached.
you don't want to go in any specific company or any specific post.
I would love to go in Zara.
But you are not mentioning. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a
So,
from. Okay.
but it's not necessary that Zara only, because if
Yeah.
not Zara, another company will come. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So
Thank you
yeah,
from my side. Thank you from my
thank you,
side.
sir.
Raja sir.
Thank
Raja sir.
I
you.
have
Okay, sir.
nothing to ask her. I will directly come to the feedback.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
You know.
One thing is like Vijay has asked you something to introduce yourself, but you started talking about your personality. Okay, that is the biggest flaw that you have made. That is not an introduction. You're talking about your personality and what temper you have and what kind of mentality you have, your personality you have. Okay, that is not introduction. Okay, introduction is talking about you and you yourself, your name, your parents, your background, and everything, and then getting back onto your personality. We have not asked about your personality at all. Okay, and most of the questions you are not specific to. You're confused at this point of time. You're confused. You are supposed to have a lot of knowledge about the terminological knowledge about the fashion industry. Okay, let it, for example, if we take merchandising, marketing, and what merchandising is, what marketing is all about in the industry and all that. So that is more important. I know that what you have been doing, and I have given you a lot of feedback myself. Okay, so but I think even after that feedback that we had been going on past 1 week, you could not improve on it. Okay, so that is very important that you need to work on those feedbacks and the points that I might have given you earlier. How to go about your introduction or your career and all those things. Even like Prashansa has asked you, like you have done BF Tech, your interest was something else in the beginning, and then your interest has changed because of some influence or whatever. And then why not MF Tech? This is the same questions which we had been asking and all that. Okay, it is very important. You have not given specific, you should not allow us to presume what your reply would be. Rather, you should be very specific for what reason you have taken BF Tech, or what you would be doing in MFM, and what MFM would be teaching you, and what would be your career and all that things. So you cannot be jumping on like that. You cannot be like a cat on a wall, whether like मुझे यहाँ पे मौका मिला तो वहां पे, यहाँ पे मौका मिला तो यहाँ पे, ऐसे नहीं. No, you cannot be creating that confusion in our minds. You have to be very specific. We are looking for very specific answers and replies that which allows you into taking into the MFM. Okay, that is very important. So Prashant, you have your feedback, please.
Yes, sir. So, 4-5 points I have mentioned that when I asked you to introduce yourself, right? So, at the time of your introduction, आपको elongate, be specific. Specific means आपने 12th पास आउट कहाँ से किया, that is. सब्जेक्ट क्या थे, इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उनको, बिकॉज आप सब्जेक्ट पूछोगे वहां से काउंटर स्टार्ट होगा. फिर आप अपने पॉइंट दे रहे हो, सब्जेक्ट मेरे ये थे, राइट? तो स्पेसिफिक अबाउट द पेरेंट्स, स्पेसिफिक अबाउट द मार्क्स एंड ग्रेजुएशन एंड द प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ एंड यूर राइट. So and the second point then विजय सर ने जब आपसे पूछा था about गोरखपुर, so 2 points आपने मेंशन किए थे. फर्स्ट पॉलिटिशियन, राइट? आपको वो मेंशन नहीं करना, बिकॉज आपसे सिटी के पूछा जा रहा है अबाउट द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ डिजाइन कि आप उस सिटी को कितना जानते हो. जिस सिटी में आप बचपन से रह रहे हो, यू नो अबाउट अवेयर अबाउट द थिंग्स देयर, तो ही आप उसमें थोड़ा सा इनोवेट करोगे, राइट? कि मेरे सिटी में क्या अच्छा है अबाउट द डांस कल्चर, जो भी हो, कल्चर अबाउट कल्चर, राइट? सो पॉलिटिशियन मेंशन नहीं करना है आपको. सेकंड पॉइंट, इंस्टाग्राम वाला लैंग्वेज मेंशन नहीं करना है. जो इंस्टाग्राम लैंग्वेज है, इट्स नॉट अ रियल नेम. वो इंस्टाग्राम में तो आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो नेम, वो आपको मेंशन नहीं करना है इंटरव्यू में, राइट? कि इंस्टाग्राम में आजकल ये फ्लोट हो रहा है, दैट इज फ्लोट हो रहा है, वो मेंशन नहीं करना है, बिकॉज दैट इज अ कूल बिहेवियर, इज शोइंग अ कूल बिहेवियर, और वो निगेटिव हो जाएगा आपके लिए. ओके. सेकेंड चीज, आप जब अपने आप को मेंशन कर रहे थे तो आई लव 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 लव, आपने लव बहुत बार यूज कर रहे हो. आई लव टू डू, लव टू डू, लव टू डू. आपको ये वर्ड बस लव ज्यादा सुनाई दे रहा है, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है, राइट? तो ये वर्ड थोड़ा सा इग्नोर करिए, लिमिटेड करिए. 1 टाइम हो गया, 2 टाइम हो गया, बट रिपीट बार बार मत करिए, राइट? Then second thing, कोई स्पेसिफिक आंसर कोई भी पूछ रहा है, इट कैन बी एनी क्वेश्चन, टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल, अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन है उसमें तो जस्ट से सॉरी सर आई डोंट नो द आंसर, डोंट से एनीथिंग ब्लंट। आप कुछ भी ब्लंट कहोगे तो उससे आप सेकंड चीज को भी गलत प्रूफ कर दोगे, तो जस्ट से सॉरी सर डोंट नो दिस आंसर स्पेसिफिक, राइट। सो ये हो गया। देन अपना रिटन टेस्ट का मेंशन बिल्कुल मत करिएगा। आपने रिटन टेस्ट मेंशन किया कि इट्स नॉट गोइंग गुड और मेरे को उम्मीद नहीं थी एंड आई गॉट क्रैक, वो मेंशन मत करिए, राइट। एंड ये आपका मेन चीज हो गया। बीटेक वाला मत लेके आइएगा, मैंने ऑलरेडी काउंटर किया था आपको। सो एंड अपना पोस्टर जो आपने, आपका ड्रेस प्रॉपर है, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस ठीक थे, बट आपका कैमरा थोड़ा सा, कैमरे को स्ट्रेट रखिए, बॉडी को, सो दैट आपको बेंड ना करना पड़े, राइट। सो यूज द टेबल चेयर और समथिंग जिससे आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज प्रॉपर दिखे, बिकॉज आप बेंड कर रहे हो एज अ, हम टॉक कर रहे हैं लाइक अ टॉक, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ इंटरव्यू, राइट। सो अपने बॉडी को स्ट्रेट रखिए एंड यूज योर हैंड्स एंड फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन जो ऑलरेडी आप यूज कर रहे हो। तो ये पॉइंट्स, ओके। एंड बी स्पेसिफिक एज ऑलरेडी राजा सर सेड। कंफ्यूजन आप मेरे माइंड में कंफ्यूजन लेके आ रहे थे, जो मैं आपको काउंटर कर रहा था, दैट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एज एमएफएम एज अ सेकेंडरी, वो आपने जनरेट करवाया मेरे माइंड में, वो मेरे माइंड में नहीं आया, आपने जनरेट करवाया कि आपका सेकेंडरी ऑप्शन है, तो व्हाई शुड आई टेक यू, अगर सेकंड ऑप्शन है तो व्हाई शुड आई टेक, आप वो कर सकते हैं डेफिनेटली कि हाँ जारा आई एम टेकिंग एज ए एक्सपीरियंस, इन फ्यूचर आल्सो आई विल ज्वाइन जारा आफ्टर डूइंग, वो आप अपने आप को उसमें मोल्ड कर सकते हैं, राइट। So
Okay.
Okay.
from my side, हाँ
Okay.
विजय सर।
क्या नाम, अच्छा पुष्पांजलि, okay.
Yes.
See, two aspect, there was no purpose, okay, there was no sort of articulated, to in the sentences you were speaking, it was something like coming out blah blah blah, okay.
Yeah.
Now why I'm saying this blah blah blah, because you were molding at that point of time what the question demanded, so that is a very dangerous thing that can happen in an interview. You need to find a purpose, you need to structure down your thought process in a proper way, ताकि अगर क्वेश्चन आपसे कुछ भी पूछा जाए तो आप बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर से ना हिले। कुछ चीजें इधर उधर हो सकती हैं, बट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द थिंग्स शुड फॉल इन अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, चाहे आपके सब्जेक्ट को लेके हो, चाहे आपके इंटर्नशिप को लेके हो, चाहे आपके पर्पस को लेके हो, इट शुड बी वेरी मच आर्टिकुलेटेड, ठीक है। सो थोड़ा सा रीड द प्रोस्पेक्टस ऑफ एमएफएम, और जो क्वेश्चंस आपके पास होंगे, ऑलरेडी राजा सर ने आपको बहुत क्वेश्चंस दिए होंगे, तो उस क्वेश्चंस को थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करो, और उस अपने स्ट्रक्चर्स को एक बार बिल्कुल सही तरीके से आप करोगे तो आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट। और जैसे ना बहुत सारा जैसे वर्ड, जैसे प्रशांत सर ने सही बोला, यू आर यूजिंग टू मच ऑफ कनेक्टिंग वर्ड्स, ओके, व्हिच डज नॉट शो एनी पर्पस, ठीक है। आई लाइक टू, आई होप, or I love, these are the words which something say ki nahi yaar I'm not sure, so these are actually I'm not sure, so we are finding some other words to replace those uncertainty.
Specificness होना चाहिए।
yes
Okay sir.
तो rest of the thing, body language ठीक है आपका, थोड़ा सा slow करो pace को, okay. The pace which you are speaking is very fast.
Yes sir.
Okay, so that's from my side, all the best, do good, practice more.
Okay sir.
Always remember Pushpanjali, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑलवेज भी इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, और जितना आप लिमिटेड अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे उतना आप में कॉम्प्लिकेशन कम आएगा, क्वेश्चंस वहीं से पिक करेंगे, जो आप अपने इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे वहीं से आपको काउंटर किया जाएगा। सो लिमिटेड अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें, बी स्पेसिफिक टाइप, ओके।
लिमिटेड में मुझे क्या-क्या मेंशन करना होगा?
मींस लाइक आई एम दिस, आई एम बिलोंग्स टू दिस प्लेस, आई डन स्कूलिंग फ्रॉम इन दिस ईयर, देन ग्रेजुएशन दिस ईयर, इन माय फैमिली फादर एंड ब्रदर एंड सो ऑन, माय फादर बिलोंग्स टू दिस, दैट्स इट, एंड माय इंटरेस्ट, जस्ट यू वांट टू टेल देन यू कैन एट द इंटरेस्ट एरिया, बट अगेन फ्रॉम इंटरेस्ट से आपको काउंटर स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वर्ड, राइट।
एग्जैक्टली।
तो इस पे ओनली 20 सेकंड्स और 10 सेकंड्स, बट आपने अपनी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड प्लस आपने अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है,
ओके सर।
You should be more relaxed. As such, it is not like I have commented in your video that you're talking like a bullet train. We don't want bullet trains happening, huh? We want just a good string going on very confidently, very specific.
Right sir, right.
This is what
I feel like that पुष्पांजलि को फर्स्ट टाइम मौका मिला, मैं अपने आप बारे में सब कुछ बताऊंगी, अब कुछ नहीं छूटेगा।
So it's not be like that, okay?
हाँ,
okay,
thank you, all the best.
Great, Pushpanjali. I hope you had a wonderful session and you work on your limitation. We'll get in touch with you with the next PI slot. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
okay.
All the best.
Okay.
So we are done now.
We are done. अच्छा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? As you people